How to set up one-handed keyboard in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general, and then scroll down and click on keyboard. Now here you can see the option one-handed keyboard. Now click on it, and here you can turn on or off one-handed keyboard. Here you can set up your one-handed keyboard to left or right. After select, then open your keyboard, and here you can see your keyboard is one-handed mode. So this is the way to set up keyboard to one-handed mode. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.